In our project, we are trying to give an alternative to fossil fuels like petrol, diesel and natural gas.
And we are managing waste generated in our society. Myself Vishv.
Myself, Bhupen.
We are from Aadharshila CBSE school studying in grade 8. And here we have shown you three types of biofuel from different waste materials. First is biodiesel, second is bioethanol and third is biogas.
To our first unit, which is biodiesel production. For this, we have collected oils from various restaurants, hotels and our homes. We have first filtered the oil using a filter which will remove the impurities and solid waste from the oil. We have then heated up the oil at 70 degrees Celsius for some time because if there will be any water molecule present in the oil, it will turn the oil into soap. After heating, let it cool down for some time. After cooling, we have to transfer it into a stirring tank and then add potassium methoxide and stir it for 20 minutes.
And this process is known as trans-esterification. After stirring for 20 minutes, transfer this into the settling tank and leave for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. After 2 to 3 hours, there will be two products. At the bottom will be the glycerin, that is the byproduct of the biodiesel, and we have to separate them. Glycerin is the further use for the soap making process, and biodiesel will be used as directly in fuel, and we have tested in the R&D lab. Let's move on to our second unit, which is bioethanol. In this, we have collected starchy or sugary waste material from various fruit markets, farmers like rotten vegetables, fruits, etc. And we have crushed them and add little amount of water to make slurry. And we have also added an anaerobic microorganism called yeast for the fermentation process. The yeast will convert the carbohydrates into ethanol and the carbon dioxide. And we have to leave it for 2 to 3 days for fermentation. After 2 to 3 days, we can see that there will be two layers. The bottom layer is the solid waste and the upper layer is the fermented liquid. The bottom layer, the solid waste can be used for the biogas production. The fermented liquid, we have to extract the ethanol from the fermented liquid. We have to send this to the distillation unit. In distillation unit, there will be the heater. In heater, we have to heat the fermented liquid. The ethanol's boiling point is less than water, so it will start vaporize first. It will go through condenser and the condenser will convert it into the liquid. So we can collect the liquid in the another container. We have tested in the R&D lab and store it for the further purposes. The use of bioethanol are the ethanol can be blended with the petrol in 10 to 20% for the long lasting of petrol use.
So let's move on to our third unit, which is biogas production. For this, we have to use cellulosic waste like agricultural waste, solid waste from ethanol production and animal waste. Make a slurry of this cellulosic waste using water. After the slurry is made, add cow dung with it because the cow dung contains anaerobic bacteria which helps to produce methane gas. Let the slurry sit for some weeks in a digester tank. Cover the inlet from which the slurry had been added to the digester tank because if it is not covered, it will leak the methane gas produced. After a few weeks, the methane gas produced will be collected in the gas holder through which an outlet is connected from where we can use the methane gas in vehicles, cooking, in producing electricity, etc. The gas holder gets light in weight as the gas is collected in it. The cellulosic waste also becomes lighter as it is used, and we can transfer it into another tank in the which is the collector's tank, which we can later on use in as a manure in fields.
Thank you.